Display. Now you see the evening beauties of Chauntra Dzongsar Monastery. And today is Thursday, so we got holiday. And as well as tomorrow, because of instead of Saturday and Sunday, Dzongsar we replace the holiday instead. Friday, Saturday and Sunday we replace to Thursday and Friday. So there you can see the men are playing football and surrounded with beautiful landscapes of evening Chauntra. And here you can see the sunset, so beautiful. And I show you closer to the sunset so that you can see. Wow, that's amazing, yeah? How beautiful the sun, passing down. And I'm, going closer towards the trees. They got tall trees all around my school. Here, I show you, they got some fruits on the tree. You might probably know these fruits. Yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful trees with beautiful fruits. Lots of fruits. So our kids, they're always enjoying these fruits. I haven't seen those fruits in the shop. And right here, we got so many tall trees behind our school. And they are some Indian farmer working. You see, it's just behind our school, because I'm on top of rooftop and trying to flame the trees. And it's about 6:30. No, it's 6:22. And there we have big water tanks. That one is actually the new one, because the old one is gotten hole leaking last year. So we bought new tents. And again, I'm working towards the ground of Dzongsar. and sun lights directly shining on our buildings. So they will play until when it gets dark. Very active monks, talented and good in football. I mean, all games they do play. You can see just near the ground. You can see they have got a basket ground. So today, all monks are enjoying holiday because they cannot go out because of lockdown. We're still following the lockdown because of COVID cases increasing speedily, and very speedily in India. So we still follow we're still under lockdown since last year. For better precaution, and I hopefully that this COVID disease or virus will disappear soon. Praying to the God. And praying for those who died because of the COVID problems. Now you see again towards sun. And see how beautiful is it. So beautiful landscapes. And over there you can see the snow mountain, and right towards here, actually I cannot see the mountains where paraglidings. Today it seems like, no paragliding I've ever, not single here. So, because normally there are a lot of people flying up in the sky with paraglidings. And that's the roof of our school. And we got a beautiful, huge balcony on the roof. So I was trying to get towards to the mountain, snow mountains. It seems like going to be a bit dark. And here you can see the tall trees that cover the mountains. I love those trees because, you know, they always give us a huge shadow and a bit fresh air in the morning, especially when it's too hot. And we always used to sit under the trees so that we got good air, good wind to enjoy under trees. And there you can see the train tracks, because every morning, like 8 o'clock, the train passing, crossing from here all the way to Pathankot. That's actually the small trains, you know, where you can see in Shimla train station, and also train station also in Pathankot, Shimla, and they're going all the way to Joginder Nagar, and they're planning to the government is trying to stretch the railway tracks all the way to Manali, so that people can enjoy by train, and especially during monsoon, you know, the bus journeys, highways, they, you know, every year due to the floods and scary and, you know, killing a lot of people during the monsoon. Now back again here. Okay, so this is all. I should, for a bit time, and I show you more when I travel a bit farther towards market, hopefully. So this is all, and finally, to take good care of yourself, all of you, and God bless you all. Take care, love you all, and please do subscribe us so that I can improve my video, so that I can make more video as possible. Subscribe, like, and share, please. Thank you. Thank you so much. And have a good evening, all of you, and good night.